Hi friend, I am sure a lot of you, if not most of you, have heard or talked about the 12-week year at some point before, but you don't know how it's actually implemented. You don't know what to actually do about it. So today, we're actually going to be doing it together. So it is April 2nd. We are starting Q2. It becomes a 12-week year for the second time. In Q1, we accomplished a lot together. So some of the things that we accomplished in Q1 were we actually onboarded 2 new staff members, which was awesome. They are killing the game. And while we were onboarding them, I was able to generate a 30-day onboarding plan as a manager. That's so important to me. So I reviewed the 30-day onboarding plan, actually uploaded it all to an LMS system or a learning management system, so that way it becomes more scalable and we can go ahead and hire new employees easier and make sure that everybody has a standardized 30-day onboarding, which is so important. I actually posted 3 videos a day, 6 days a week on YouTube, and reached 1,000 followers, which is like, so happy. It's like my first milestone on TikTok, and it was incredible. Uploaded 3 videos a day here as well, and 3 long form videos, and generated 70 subscribers from it. So thank you guys if you guys have subscribed already. I'm so grateful. You guys are helping me achieve my goals. The goal for this year is 1,000 new subscribers. And so if we continue at this momentum of 100 new subscribers a day, or a month, sorry, we're gonna just not hit our goals. We are going to far surpass our goals, which is so unbelievably exciting. So I am so thankful if you're here from the first 30 days that I was on YouTube. Either way, signed up for ClassPass. Loving ClassPass, ended up losing 6 pounds, trying out some really cool new classes, which again, so unbelievably excited for. Currently hiring for 2 new positions. Overall, just really grateful that I was able to accomplish so much in Q1, and now we're gonna accomplish some more things in Q2. I do feel like step 1 of planning the 12-week year is always get some good food. So today's food of choice is Panda Express, and I just feel like it kind of helps me keep me entertained as we're doing this. I do plan my 12-week year using Notion, and I do have what I call the Ultimate Boss Dashboard, and it just helps me kind of keep it all organized, keep it all together. Notion is my absolute second brain. It is what I use personally. It is awesome. I keep everything in there, from all of my goals to all of my things to my 12-week year. So let's do this together. Full transparency, the actual template that I use to plan my 12-week year, I did find in Gumroad. I'm going to link it in the description below so you guys can actually find the same one. It is, you only will pay whatever you think it's worth. So it's nice because even if you do have only $1, you can still get this template and it can still help you out. And then maybe you'll turn around and buy the producer of the template a coffee or something like that. And all of the instructions will be on the template. The template is super easy to work with, because essentially what you're going to be able to do is, number 1, plan out different areas of your life. So the areas that I do tend to plan are business, health, relationship, financial, and personal. And these areas I tend to plan out a little bit different from each other. And then what the template will do is we will start with goals. We'll talk about tasks for every single week for the 12 weeks. And then you'll actually be able to get and fill those tasks in, which is really nice, and kind of see your progress go up, which I really love. So we are going to go ahead and plan my health and fitness goals together, because those would be the easiest ones to plan. And let's do that together. So when you open the health and fitness goals, this is going to be the goal for the next 12 months. So for me, I want to lose another 6 pounds. And when you go to goals, you can actually put in here, so lose 6 pounds. And the area is in the health and fitness. And with the progress, we are going to go ahead and we're going to add tasks. So do strength training. So once you select the goal, like for example, lose 6 pounds, what you're going to do is then you're going to assign every single week the things that you want to do to get there. So every week I need to go ahead and select my ClassPass classes, so I can duplicate this and then just take it down to the next one. Duplicate. And continue doing this until it is in all of my weeks, which takes a little bit. Every week I also need to grocery shop. And that's going to happen, instead of 6 times, sorry, that's going to happen 1 time a week. 1 time a week. 1 time a week, 1 time a week. Every single week, I also need to go. I need to weigh myself. And every week I need to, let's think. That's pretty much it. I mean, for me, I kind of will cycle sync. So I don't really plan this too much, but you could plan things like like how many strength training days you want to have, how many cardio days you want to have, etc. So then you'll link it to your goals. So that way your goals are here. And then you could do a due date for every single one of your weeks. So for example, in this one's actually done already. So I already did this, so this one's complete. But then you could do this for every single other one as well. At the end of it, this is what you should be left with. You're left with your 3 areas, your core goals, and all of those goals are here as well. And then every week you have a to-do list of items to be able to accomplish those goals, where you're going to be able to really check in with yourself and see what your progress is. Every week, this is all also added to the reflection, so that you're able to see what your score is for that week and which weeks you completed them and which weeks you had to move them forward. Ultimately, what you're going to be left with is not just an accountability tracker, but a habit tracker. So these are the things that you need to do every single week, every single day in order to actually accomplish your goals. And if you just remember to keep track of them, go back, review them every single day, make sure that you're staying on top of it, schedule them into your workday using the calendar blocking system, use the productivity hacks that we've talked about before, add more details as you receive them. You're gonna see that in 12 months, you will be, or in 12 days, you'll be able to see that in 12 weeks, you'll be able to do more than most people do in 12 months, just because you're staying on top of the daily habits that you need to do in order to get and reach your goals. If you have any questions, I'd love to answer them. Please put them in the comment down below. If you're starting today, I would love to know, what is your main goal for 12 weeks? We're going to talk about how to implement 30-day sprints in our next video. 30-day sprints are those last-minute sprints that are going to get us to our goals, yes or yes, which are amazing, unbelievable. You won't even be able to imagine what you can do in 30 days when you put 30-day sprints into 12-week years together and make our baby. They are chef's kiss. So if you found this video helpful, or if you have and would like to follow along, please go ahead, comment, subscribe, like this video, and I will see you all next week. Bye.